Okay, guys, so this is Coach Smith here. I just wanted to show you something that we found out about the PHET lab. So on your document, your your collections are listed as collection one, two, three, etc. Collection one is the same each time, but what we found out is collection two, three, four, five, etc. has different compounds for every student. So when you actually get into this assignment, you're going to click on this link here, and it's going to take you to build a molecule. And when you get in here to build a molecule, you're going to actually be building compounds. Some are elements because they're the same element just together, but some are compounds. And so you'll click single, and this is the first one. And so we can make all of these. I'm going to do it really fast. So I don't basically do it for you, but the first collection is the same for everybody. But after that, I'll show you what we found out today. And it just means you're going to have to change your document a little bit, but it doesn't mean that you can't do the activity. So when I click next collection, this is what I get, right? This time. So when I go into the PHET lab, this actually, surprisingly enough, matches up with, I think, what I had in your document. So some of you may not be having issues. Oh, nope. See, this is HCN, CO2, Cl2, H2S, H2O. And when you get on here, they're different. There's CHC3, Cl, there's BF3. So they're different compounds. And all that means is instead of doing the ones that are in these boxes, you're just going to type the new compounds in there in place of that. So I would go into my document and it says HCN, that's the same, but C2H2, that's not what this is. So I would go in here and I would type in C2H2. And I mean, you don't have to make those numbers small if you don't want to. And then you go ahead and do the same thing that you would normally do. Just do it for whatever your screen is showing. So when you get this new document or this new molecule here, it may not be the exact same as what's listed in the collection. Just go in, change that molecule to what's on your PHET lab, CH2O. So I'm going to go here and it's CH2O. Okay. And then I would go ahead and continue with, well, which elements are there? How many of each element did I use? Is this a compound or is it an element? And then I would take that picture. And so you can get that picture from the document or from the PHET lab by using the screenshot like I did. Or if you would rather just Google a picture of it, you can Google that and copy and paste it into your table. So still want you guys to do 5 collections, but what we found out is that each of these are not necessarily the same as the collections that we typed in your document. So all you're going to have to do is go in and change that to match whatever you're seeing, and then make sure that you put your screenshots of the completed work at the bottom of each collection. So, and like I said, you have 5 collections, so you're going to have a lot of practice with this. And that's the whole point. Is originally we were going to do a lab where you do stuff with your hands, but with coronavirus the way it is and teachers out, this is the best thing we can do. So we want you to get practice. It will take time. In fact, it's the same assignment for tomorrow. So it should take you a couple days to do all this, and that's perfectly fine. So just take your time, enjoy it. I don't know, listen to some music while you work, and good luck. If you have questions, you can still ask, but hopefully that answers a lot of them that you might be asking. Okay, good luck, guys.